So this is how to do an irrigation tray kit. This is what the package looks like. These are the supplies you will need. You will need a small plastic drape that looks like this, or small, yeah, it's plastic, it's shiny. So open it up and make sure it's not finished already. Make sure there's no diamond in the middle, it's just a regular drape. Fold it back together as best as you can. It's not too perfect, just make it look small and kind of go along the creases. You'll need a 2mm syringe, I think it's 60 mLs with a cap, the canister to put the liquid in, there's the cap that Cindy just had in her hand, and then just an alcohol pad. Make sure it's not skin prep, make sure it says alcohol prep on it. And then the container to put it all in. So lay the drape down first, the bottom of the container, and then the alcohol prep pad. Put the syringe into the canister like this and lay it flat down in there, and then put the cap at the top, or at the bottom, doesn't matter, just throw it in there. And then put double-sided tape on it. Sometimes it gets sticky. She said, screw that piece, that's okay. Just tear another piece and just go around all the edges. That way when you turn it upside down, when we store them, it doesn't like, that was me explaining how I usually tape it. Just tape it however you want. Just make sure it's kind of clean and get tape all around it. And then fold over the label and press it down and you're good to go. And that is a irrigation kit.